When it comes to window installation in Ferndale, MI, the weather plays a critical role in determining the materials, styles, and timing of your project. Ferndale experiences a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, making it essential for homeowners to carefully consider how local climate impacts their window installation choices. Understanding Ferndale's climate. Located in southeastern Michigan, Ferndale experiences a humid continental climate. Summers can reach average highs in the mid-80s degree F, often accompanied by high humidity. Winters, on the other hand, bring average lows in the 20s degree F and frequent snowfall. The area also encounters rainstorms in spring and fall and the occasional risk of severe weather, such as thunderstorms or high winds. These diverse conditions mean your windows must perform well in varying temperatures, resist moisture intrusion, and provide adequate insulation year-round. Choosing the right materials. One of the most significant decisions in window installation is selecting the right frame and glass materials. Ferndale's climate demands materials that can withstand seasonal temperature fluctuations without compromising durability or energy efficiency. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a popular choice in Ferndale due to its affordability and resistance to moisture. It doesn't warp or rot like wood, making it ideal for areas with high humidity or precipitation. Additionally, vinyl windows are low maintenance and provide excellent insulation, keeping homes warm in winter and cool in summer. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass frames are another excellent option for Ferndale homeowners. They are highly durable, resist thermal expansion and contraction, and can handle extreme temperature changes without losing structural integrity. Wood-clad windows. While wood provides a classic aesthetic, it requires more maintenance in a climate like Ferndale's. Opting for wood-clad windows, which combine the beauty of wood with the durability of an aluminum or vinyl exterior, can strike a balance between style and practicality. Energy-efficient glass. Double or triple pane glass with low emissivity coatings is essential for reducing heat transfer and minimizing energy bills. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes provide added insulation, a crucial feature during Ferndale's freezing winters and hot summers. Weatherproofing for longevity. In Ferndale, where heavy rain, snow, and wind are common, proper weatherproofing is critical to prevent leaks and drafts. During installation, ensuring a tight seal around the window frame is essential. Look for windows with advanced weather stripping and flashing systems to keep out moisture and maintain indoor comfort. Energy efficiency matters. Ferndale residents often face high energy bills due to heating in winter and cooling in summer. Energy-efficient windows are a wise investment, reducing energy consumption and improving indoor comfort. Look for windows with an Energy Star certification, which ensures they meet strict performance standards for the region's climate. Seasonal timing for installation. The timing of your window installation can also affect its success. Spring and early fall are ideal seasons for installation in Ferndale, as mild temperatures and lower humidity provide optimal conditions for sealants and adhesives to cure properly. Winter installations are possible but may require additional precautions, such as heated installation materials, to ensure proper performance. Preparing for severe weather. Ferndale's residents must also prepare for occasional severe weather events. Impact-resistant windows, designed to withstand high winds and debris, offer added protection during thunderstorms or high wind advisories. These windows can also enhance home security year-round. Aesthetic considerations for Ferndale homes. Beyond functionality, homeowners in Ferndale often seek windows that complement their home's architectural style. Whether you live in a historic bungalow or a modern design, customized options, such as grid patterns or unique frame colors, can enhance curb appeal while meeting performance needs. The value of professional installation. And finally, professional installation is crucial for maximizing the performance and lifespan of your windows. Local installers in Ferndale understand the region's climate and can recommend products and techniques tailored to withstand its unique challenges. Expert installation minimizes the risk of future problems, such as air leaks or water damage, ensuring your investment is protected. Conclusion. Weather conditions in Ferndale, MI, significantly influence the choices homeowners make when selecting and installing new windows. By prioritizing materials that resist extreme temperatures, moisture, and wear, and by timing installations during optimal weather conditions, Ferndale residents can enhance their home's comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings or aesthetic appeal, working with a trusted local installer ensures that your windows stand up to Ferndale's ever-changing weather for years to come.